In this video, we'll be going over an efficient multiplication strategy known as doubling. I'd like to introduce doubling by going back to thinking about arrays. Here's an array for 8 times 6. What if we were to divide this array in half? We would have two arrays. Each would be 8 by 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And so if I double 8 times 3, I get 8 times 6, which is 48. So how do I use the multiplication strategy of doubling? I take one of the factors, and it has to be an even factor. I split it in half. I multiply that by my other factor, and then I double it. So I took 6, I split it in half to get 3, I multiplied by 8 to get 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. Since both 6 and 8 are even, I could actually use doubling by splitting apart the 8. Half of 8 is 4. I'm multiplying 4 by 6 this time. 4 times 6 is 24. And again, 24 plus 24 is 48. I don't need an array to use the multiplication strategy of doubling. Another way to visualize it is to think about those equal groups. If I want to do 4 times 7 and I want to use doubling, I have to use 4 as the factor to split because it's even. I'm going to split 4 into 2 and 2. Then I'm going to multiply 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to double that. I get another 14, which is 28. What if I don't want to use visuals at all? Well, 6 times 9, I can solve by doubling. 6 is even, so it's what I'm going to work with for my doubles. Half of 6 is 3, so I'm going to do 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. I'm going to double 27. That'll get me 54. And so 6 times 9 is 54. Let's try another example. If I want to do 8 times 9, I could split 8 into 4 and 4. But let's say I get stuck on 4 times 9. What could I do? Well, I could break this down into 2 times 9 and 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Double 18, I get 36. That gives me 4 times 9 is 36. But remember, I was trying to do 8 times 9? So I want to add 36 to 36 to get 8 groups of 9, which is 72. I'd like you to give this a try. Try it with 12 times 4. Press pause while you work and play when you're ready to see how I did it. This one can be done in a couple ways. One way would be break apart this 12 into 6 and 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Double 24, you get 48. But 4 is even too, so maybe you wanted to do 12 times 2, breaking the 4 into 2 and 2. 12 times 2 is 24. Double the 24, you still get 48.